If you live in the United States, saving money is all about playing smart. Even billionaires like Donald Trump know that keeping your wealth is just as important as making it. First, slash your monthly bills, switch your expensive phone plan to cheaper networks like Mint Mobile or Visible. This saves you over $1,000 a year. Second, stop overpaying for groceries. Shop at ALDI or Costco and always buy store brands instead of name brands. Third, never leave your cash in a regular bank account. Move your money into a high-yield savings account or a Roth IRA to protect it from high US taxes and inflation. As Trump always says, look at the bottom line. Smart saving is the ultimate key to American wealth. Subscribe for more financial secrets.